Hey, what's up, everybody? How you doing? It's me again, Fitz, the acupuncturist. Now, do you suffer from migraines or just headaches in general? All right. So in Chinese medicine, when a patient comes to me and says, "Hey, I have a headache," I usually ask them, what part of the head is the headache mostly localized in? Is it localized mostly in the front, the sides, or the back? All right. Why I ask that? Because it gives me a better idea on how to treat it. For instance, if a patient has a headache mostly in the frontal lobe, frontal area, that's usually associated with the digestion or the stomach area. Okay. If a patient has headaches on the side of the head, that's usually associated with the liver gallbladder channel. And if they have headaches on the back of the head, in Chinese medicine, sometimes it could mean something with the urinary bladder issues. Okay? But I find that most of my patients that have headaches usually have headaches on the side. Okay? Usually refers to the liver and gallbladder channel. All right? So how does that work? And in Chinese medicine, we view headaches differently than the regular doctors. But the best way to say it is that heat rises. Okay, so some cause of headaches, according to TCM meaning traditional Chinese medicine, is that if you have too much stress, right? In Chinese medicine, liver qi stagnation equals stress. Okay, remember the liver is responsible for the flow of qi and blood. Okay, if it's stagnated, then that means it's not making the blood flow as it should all throughout the body. And sometimes that stagnation can cause heat. Right? And heat rises. And then if it rises, it can go to the head and cause some headaches. That's according to the TCM theory. All right? That's why it's very important that you visit your local acupuncturist and ask him or her about how to treat your headaches. Of course, always check with your medical doctor also. Okay? Always check with your primary physician always for any type of medical issues. I'll make that very clear. Make sure you check with your primary care physician first for any medical issues, okay? And then it's not a bad idea to also talk to your local acupuncturist and ask him or her questions, all right? Because we see things differently. We try to work together with medical doctors. It's not us or them, me or them. No. We try to work together because the main thing is to get the patients right. The main thing is to get the patients well, all right? This roach actually produces milk, nutrient-rich milk. Hey everybody, it's me again, Fitz, the acupuncturist out of Miami, Florida. Now, do you love milk? What if I tell you there's a potential superfood out there, the super milk, that has all 9 essential amino acids. It is a good source of fat, protein, and carbs. And what would I tell you that this wonderful, nutritious milk comes from a roach.
What?
That's right, a roach. This roach is called the Patera punctata. And unlike other roaches, these roaches actually give live birth, which already is kind of weird. And they produce this crystallized substance described as milk for the young. But scientists have been doing research on this roach milk. And believe it or not, it looks very promising. Because this roach milk has a good source of fats, protein, and carbohydrates, and the 9 amino acids. You really can't find that in other food like that, or so much qualities. So my question is, are you willing to drink milk from a roach if it becomes on the market? Me personally, I'm not a milk drinker. But if I was, I don't know if I would be drinking roach milk. Would you? But this is actually a real thing, and scientists are definitely looking into it, and this might be considered a superfood for the future. Alright? But in the meantime, as a disclaimer, don't go look into it, in your house for a roach and try to milk it. No. Leave that to the professionals. Alright? So let me know what you think about this roach milk. If they start selling this roach milk at the supermarket, will you drink it? I'm just curious. Let me know below, okay? And please don't forget to subscribe. I'll check you out next time.